A man is walking in the township, daydreaming through a smog-filled, dusty morning. Children are playing in the street. Chicago, nix more, yeah, as they run and laugh, chasing a Hong Kong tennis ball that has lived many lives. Molori sees an old tin of Lucky Star pilchards by the roadside. He taps it with his shoe, then kicks it gently towards a break, 1 bar. He whispers to himself, "We." A quiet celebration, a goal only his heart saw. You see, Molori dreams like he always does. What else can a dreamer do but dream? He dreams of Ramasedi in its purest form, not the Hong Kong sunlight fighting the gassy smoke, but the clean, honest light of the morning sky. In his mind, he sees himself naked on a warm rock at sunrise, then lying on the grass at sunset, both happening on his land, in Milele, a place swallowed by time, yet living in the body's memory. Our history has been wiped clean so many times that dreaming became our inheritance. So Molori dreams stubbornly, beautifully. He dreams of photons, blue light in the morning, red light in the afternoon, landing on his skin like long-lost relatives. He feels the warmth, the tiny hairs rising, the smile that escapes without permission. They say it takes 8 minutes for a photon to travel from the sun to your skin, and when it arrives, your body remembers itself. The cells wake up, the blood listens, the heart unclenches, thoughts slow to the speed of truth. You feel, even for a moment, like you belong to something ancient. You smile, not because of anything, but because you are there, exactly where you need to be, under the light of Ramasedi. Molori dreams of living like this every day, sunbathing at random, because it is his land, the same land where his ancestors walked, under the love of. A taxi flashes by. Molori jumps, sidestep 1, 2. Chicago nix more, yeah! Dust rising behind him. Chove, Molori! Shouts the driver, unapologetic, fading into the township flow. Molori stands still. Dust settles around his feet. His smile returns. He picks up the Lucky Star tin, kicks it once more. The end. They came from the west, sailing to the east, with hatred and disease flowing from their flesh, and a burden to harden our lives. They claimed to be friends when they found us friendly, and when foreigner met foreigner, they fought for the rain. Exploiters of Africa. Africa, my beginning, and Africa, my ending. Azania, Here I come from apartheid tatters in the land of sorrow, from that marathon bondage, from the Sharpeville massacre, the flames of Soweto. I was born there, I will die there. In Africa, my beginning, in Africa, my ending. I repeat, Azania, here I come. From apartheid to democracy. Democracy on stolen land. Legalized dispossession uncorrected. Our ancestors are weeping. For the foreigner is still in charge, signing deeds with stolen ink, while we pray for the harvest and justice. But maybe Ramasedi will shed the light. They say the truth shall set us free. In Africa, my beginning, in Africa,